Hello everyone, I'm Akino and this is Alex. Today we are using this beautiful Donabe, the earthenware pot from Nakagawa Masashichi Shoten. They have more than 3 centuries of the history here in Nara, and they bring the traditional Japanese craftsmanship in a modern kitchen. Before we begin, there's one important step. When using a new Donabe for the first time, you need to season it with rice porridge. This helps seal the tiny pore and strengthen the Donabe for the long-term use. With this Donabe, you can make a delicious dish in an effortless way. Let's get started. This beautiful Donabe from Nakagawa Masashichi Shoten features a unique shallow shape with a wide opening. I love this design because it's perfect for serving directly at the table. The broad surface makes it easy for everyone to see the food and help themselves. If you have a tabletop burner like us, you can cook right at the table and enjoy the process together. Thanks to the Donabe's excellent heat retention, the food stays warm even after the heat is turned off, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere for everyone. How to season your Donabe. Before using your Donabe for the first time, it's important to season it. This simple process fills the tiny pores in the clay with starch, strengthening the pot and helping prevent cracking. Wash the Donabe gently with the soft sponge and water. Add 2 cups of leftover cooked rice. Fill the pot about 70 to 80% full with water. Bring to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Simmer for about 30 minutes and turn off the heat. Let it cool to room temperature. After that, discard the rice porridge or you can enjoy it. Rinse and dry the Donabe thoroughly. Now your Donabe is ready to use. The most traditional and simple dish you can make in Donabe is Yudofu. Add 1 piece of kumquat and 4 cups of water. Heat slowly over low heat to extract maximum umami. Cut soft tofu into 2-inch cubes and gently add to the broth. Simmer until heated through. Top with chopped green onions and katsuobushi and mentsuyu or soy sauce. Be careful, it's very hot. The kombu gently enhances the mild sweetness of the tofu. It is incredibly simple, but the flavor is surprisingly delicate and satisfying. After enjoying tofu, turn the broth into the heartier meal by adding tsukune. Tsukune is a Japanese chicken meatball. Mix ground chicken, minced onion, grated ginger, and red miso, and potato starch and egg whites. Mix until sticky and well combined. Drop spoonfuls of meatball into the simmering broth and cook until done. Serve with chrysanthemum leaves, shungiku, or any leafy greens of your choice. This creates a perfectly balanced one-pot meal. Next, I'm going to show you how to steam vegetables and pork. A well-seasoned Donabe behaves almost like a natural non-stick pan. Arrange your favorite vegetables in Donabe. Add thinly sliced pork on top. Pour in half a cup of sake or water over the ingredients and cover and cook over medium-low heat for 25 to 30 minutes. Serve with a flavorful miso dipping sauce. In Donabe, the ingredients are steamed rather than boiled. They keep their natural aroma and sweetness. And lastly, chicken and vegetable rice. This is one of my favorite Donabe dishes. Rinse the rice and soak for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Add rice, water, and seasonings to Donabe. Mix well and cook over medium-high heat for 6 to 7 minutes until it begins to simmer. Give it a stir from the bottom to prevent sticking. Add chicken and vegetables on top. Reduce to medium-low heat. Once boiling, cover and cook for 10 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it rest for 10 minutes. the residual heat finish cooking. Many people say you should never open the lid while cooking rice, but I've scotched the bottom many times following that rule. This method, stirring once before adding the toppings, gives me perfect rice every time. And serve straight from the donabe. We love placing donabe right in the center of the table. The food stays piping hot, and everyone serves themselves, and the meal naturally becomes the time to connect. One beautiful donabe can completely change the way you cook and eat. If you visit Japan, be sure to stop by Nakagawa Masashichi Shoten. Their shops are located throughout Japan, and they offer beautifully crafted tools and bring Japanese everyday living into your home. I'll put the link in the description box below so you can explore their latest product. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in next video. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!